Create a file under the cursor in Vim. I have a list of files. How do I create a file with file2.ext name if my cursor is inside file2.extension, kind of like GF only for creating new files? This is a hypothetical situation, just thought might be helpful someday.
The first thing that comes to my mind is to use the touch command with the file name under the cursor as an argument. But there is a pure Vim solution that is portable across platforms. The built-in function writeFile writes the contents of a list to a file, line by line. Naturally, when the input list is empty, it creates an empty file. See column help writeFile for details. We can take advantage of this side effect. Note that the file name extraction could be adjusted by using a different expand pattern. See column help expand. By the way, if one would like not to create a file, but just to open it for editing, one can define a simpler GF-like mapping, where the column E command can be replaced with column tab or a similar command.
I took the excellent answer by Ib above and expanded it as follows. My goal was to use Vim to create new markdown files as needed for a wiki, in this case a Golem wiki. I first tried. The above does work as stated in the answer. However, at first I thought it was not working because I did not actually see the file opening in Vim. Using the second bit of code below will open a new file. This is more what I was looking for. So I combined them and tried. But that does not work for a wiki because when you try to create a new file in the wiki using syntax like, the new file, the wiki syntax does not allow for the extension of the file in the brackets. However, Vim needs to know the extension when creating a new file for this to work. In this case I used. So I could create new markdown files. There are ways to further customize this, for example by not hard-coding the extension, but the above works fine for my needs. If I ever need another extension, for example to save a wiki file, I will probably just take the simple route and make another map like. As a side benefit, you can use the same command to open the already existing markdown file. The standard GF command will not work here because the file extension is missing.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.